guys, I know I'm on a streak of videos for KingSack HTML as my third video this time. And today we're on Roblox. Do you know why we're on Roblox? Because I want to show you how to make a Roblox game. Right now, as you can see, it says games. Public is Funkhouse, playing with Studio. This is my tutorial on Roblox Studio. Of course, everyone starts with the KingSack place, and then we have the Last Edit Guild Tycoon game. Oops. For Last Edit Guild. By the way, if you don't know, Last Edit Guild is a little guild that started as a coding club. We have our website, and we're a little guild who plays video games on YouTube. But I decided to start my own other channels, which are The King Sings and KingSack HTML. So right here, we're on web.roblox.com/develop. Right here it says developer resources. And if you click studio, it will give you this page. I already have studio, so if you don't have a studio already, that's how you get it. Okay guys, this is Roblox Studio. It might not look like what you are normal to, but what it shows for you, not what you're normal to, but group games, my games, and shared games that are shared with me. So that's how you download Roblox Studio. Then you want to click New, and say I wanted to create an obby. I would click that, and now it's loading a place, not a Roblox game. Roblox games cost Robux, I'm pretty sure. So this is just Roblox default obby. So it gives you pretty good stuff, like having these things where kill bricks. Over here in the workspace, it says it's a kill break. It has a kill script that kills you when you step on it. But there's one thing that you might want to know about making a Roblox game. If you want to have a really big, good Roblox game, you probably want to create it with friends. Well, there are two ways to do this. Making the game in a Roblox club or Roblox group, or using Team Create, where you can friend people in Roblox and they can have access to your game. Basically, you need to publish it and add the description, have the creator be you or the group. The genre can be adventure, no. And you get to choose what it's on. Console. Okay. It's for this, you create it, and then it will say successfully published. Now, if you look over here, on my Team Create screen, which if you don't know how to get to this Team Create screen, you just have to go to somewhere up here. Wait, where is it? Model. I don't know where it is. But there usually is a button up here that says Team Create. Otherwise, it will already be out here. You press turn on, and this will happen. And boom, you're back in the game, and your friends can join. it shows who's working on the game at the time right here. Right now it just shows me. I'm KingSack HTML. But yeah, that's how to make a Roblox game. Um, of course, that's not everything, because now you have either a template, you have friends, and you have Roblox Studio. Well, now you need to know how to use Roblox Studio. It may look a little bit different now, but that's because I had already done all this, but it failed when I look back at it during editing. So this is future me here editing me for the rest of the video. So, right here we have our workspace. And in this workspace, we have different things. Well, it's actually called the Explore tab, and inside of it is a workspace. As you can see here, you can create parts that can move around in the workspace. You can create spawn points, structures, and just big old things here. And then this is a model which has part in it. What you can do is you can select this part and look here in properties and change stuff. Like, of course, you can change its colors. So I can make it royal purple. I can change its material. I can make it grass. That changes how light reflects on it. The texture of how you look at it, and the way you move on it sometimes. Okay, there's a toolbox that you can open here also. And in here, you can search day-night cycle. Say you're making something that is gonna need oh gosh, where did it go? A day-night cycle. Well, the first thing you find there, you can drag into your workspace, and boom, you have a day-night cycle. Terrain editor. Here, you can click Generate Terrain, and you can create biomes, or you can go and edit, and you can smooth terrain that you create, and you can grow terrain. Sometimes it doesn't work. You can't grow this. First, you have to add, then you can grow what you add. And now I have a perfectly good mountain, which I can smooth out, or I can make flat to place a model on top. There's something you need to know about free models, though. Free models can break the game. Free models, whenever you use a free model, you want to check inside of that model and check for a script. If there's a script that you know isn't supposed to be there, you want to delete it, because that script might be a prank from the creator of that model to destroy your game. Okay, so now we know what the workspace does. It has a terrain and a camera, and it will probably have a spawn. Well, there are other things. Players. You can change players and look at players who are in the game. You can also change the lighting. Here's you can add, and you can add different things that go specifically into the network client. Replicated first and replicated storage are places that will save memory. You can also use it for remote events and remote functions. These connect functions and scripts from starter pack, starter player, starter GUI, teams, server storage, server script storage to the workspace or to the players. Then you have server storage. This is where you would place your saved models, and in server script storage, saved scripts. Starter GUI. This is where you can place a screen GUI and then place a frame, which just creates this, a button with text, a text label that doesn't do anything, just shows text, a local script, which you can program the buttons to do stuff, an image label, which is a label with an image on it, a text box, which is a box or frame with text inside, or an image button, which is a button with an image on it. In the starter pack, you can place tools and animations. These are things that will show up in your hotbar when you join the game. You can also edit the player from the starter players. You can add player scripts or character scripts. I might do a future video on scripting if this video gets enough views. I hope you learned something about Roblox Studio and are ready to start making your game. Of course, if I haven't posted a video on what you need, then you can always go to some other YouTuber for what you need. Bye! Oh, and there's one more thing that you need to know how to do, and that is how to save the game. Up in the corner, there's a button called File. You're going to hit Save to Roblox to save your game, and to publish it, publish to Roblox. If you want the file, you'll save to Roblox to File, so it will be running on your desktop or a place on your computer. And publish to Roblox is publishing the file and running the file so that people can actually join it.